Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about Kit in manufacturing module of Odoo 19. So for that, first of all, we need to go manufacturing module. Click on manufacturing module, then go to products, bills of materials. Then here we can see all the bills of materials listed. Then BOM type. There are manufacture this product, subcontracting, and kit. So if I want to create a new kit, click on new. Then here I need to add a finished product. For example, this is the one. Then if there is any product variant I can add, then quantity. Then BOM type I have to add as kit. So click on kit. So basically, the definition of a kit is like, the kit is not produced with a manufacturing order. Instead, we can use this kit as a component in the manufacturing order, and also we can sell or deliver or receive this item. So basically, the finished product of this kit is a virtual concept. There is no stock movement or stock parameters in this finished goods. Instead, for example, if I transfer this item, finished goods, instead of moving this stock item, the component stock item will be reduced. So in manufacturing, actually, we are producing an item from the components. So components will reduce, and finished goods will be added into the stock. So in kit case, it's one process. Whenever we transfer or use this kit finished product inside a manufacturing or a movement or transfer, then automatically the component will reduce. For example, this is the finished item, and here I can add the components. Like for example, these two components along with the quantity. So once I save, I can see this is the finished item and these are the components. Whenever I transfer this item, automatically this item will be reduced from stocks. Let's have a workflow. So in this case, let me transfer this item, direct delivery order. So let me go to the inventory, then delivery order, new. I'll select that item. So here I can choose this one. So this is the item. If I click here, I can see the bills of material. There are two. So let me create again. This one, then quantity. For example, if I want to transfer one, then validate. Once it is validated, you can see automatically the components are moved from the stock. So this is how the kit is working. Then if you want to use components instead of finished goods for the sales or the movements or manufacturing, we can use the kit concept. Thank you.